Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This advanced energy RF generator, made for AMAT, was completely rebuilt and tested as shown in the video. This particular RF generator can supply 3 kilowatts at 2 MHz, as viewed on the scope and the meter. We fully loaded this system using a dummy load built out of older surplus parts, and this was a good way of verifying the system was working. At ERD, we have a broad range of test equipment, both new and antique, which we can usually use to MacGyver a test for each of our units. So if you have any RF generators broken at any frequency, please contact us now for a quote.